Today we'll talk about how can you stream songs on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on frame mode, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this. So in here, can you watch a video to stream more songs? You just click on watch now. So then automatically it's going to take you to get frame or to stream videos on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish you accurate. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.